Welcome back to Sunnybrook TV. This is Rebecca reporting from Maryland, and we have just concluded, I think, pretty much our snowmageddon, although it's still snowing outside, and it is a balmy 23 degrees. We have our neighbors have hired somebody with a snowplow who is kindly doing their driveway, and when that truck first came in, it was amazing. It's a big diesel 4x4, I think made by Chevy. So we have my lovely nephew who is decided to shovel the deck. Finally, I guess these two gentlemen over here made him feel stupid since he wasn't shoveling at all before. He was just running around the yard, as you can see by all the tracks. So traffic conditions for this area would be 100% snow-covered roads. This is a snow emergency route, so this would be a route that is plowed first, and as you can see, the road is not plowed. It is white.
What are you doing?
Filming the snow report. Okay, so, actually we still do have a little bit of snow falling in little insidious flakes. One resident of this house needs to be using that car. He's supposed to be at work right now, and he actually works for the government, and he is an essential employee. So I'm surprised that there has been no Hummer yet showing up at our house to take him to work. So in essence, I think that's pretty much it. The sky is still cloud covered, and that is not how much snow has fallen. That is about how much snow has fallen since the last report at 2 o'clock. You can hear the highway, which is behind my house, and that is the first vehicle I've actually heard go up and down that highway. And way up the road that way, which I can't show you because the house is in the way, you can hear people shoveling. Oh look, here comes a shovel now. A shovel. Wow, no. I missed earlier, I should have shown you guys. Really? Was that necessary? I should have shown you the tractors that came by, but I missed them. So these lovely gentlemen over here are going to head over here next. And hopefully they'll be able to snow blow our driveway clean, because as you can see, it is as deep as the guardrail.
I'm gonna get some gloves.
So thanks for watching, and I will be posting another video shortly, and I hope you all are staying safe if you're somewhere on the East Coast or somewhere else where it is snowing. If you're somewhere where you're warm,